Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna unbox and review Vivo T5x 5G. So friends, let's check it out, its specification and features like camera, display, quality and performance. Friends, if you are curious to look under the box, what's inside the box, then here I would like to show you. There will be the mobile phone, okay, and your suitcase cover which will fit this mobile phone perfectly. And there is manual guides, there is a charger, you can say a cable wire adapter, and there is also the pin ejector. Okay, so let's keep now this all on the side and check it out, this specification. At first friends, I would like to talk about the camera of Vivo T5x 5G. If we watch out the camera friends, here the camera you are going to get is the 50 megapixel plus 2 megapixel the back camera, and the front camera you're gonna get the 32 megapixel. If you wanna look out the some images, so I would like to capture here. Capturing these photos or images at night time, and I will also like to capture the image at the front. Okay, so here will be my front image that I have captured here. This will be the image and it's a little bit slower to be captured. This is the back camera. See, here it is the back and this is the front. Okay, and here if you want to watch out the photos, then you can check it out, even the photos. It's recording the video, sorry, I chopped the video. So here's the photo there, and there also the portrait mode I have captured. If you wanna look out the night mode, then here I would like to capture under the night mode. Maybe here the night mode perfectly work at the back camera, it's little bit move. And there is also the HD Ultra document. If we capture under the Ultra HD document, here you can capture the image and it will capture here perfectly. Okay, so friends, this is all about the 32 megapixel and 50 megapixel. There is also the more settings like 50 megapixel, pano, slow-mo, time-lapse, supermoon, pro, food, water, underwater photography, dual view. Okay, this all the settings that you're gonna get under the Vivo T5x 5G. Friends, if you want to know about the quality of this mobile phone camera, then it's really superb and it's awesome camera. And if you watch out it's the camera work, how does it work under the photos, even though I have captured the night time, this photos I used to record the video at night time, and it's captured perfectly at the night time. Even my lights are not that perfect like others used to use the ring light, but I don't have that right now. So if you want to know about the camera, amazing, even you zoom it out till the 100x. So friends, now if you look at the display of this Vivo T5x 5G, it's the display is the 7.17 centimeter, or you can say 6.76 inch, and its height is the 166.64 mm. You can say 16.66 centimeter, and the weight is the 219 gram. And if we talk its resolution, friends, it's the 2344x 1080p pixels. And about the camera, I already told you that it's the 50 megapixel plus 2 megapixel and the 32 megapixel front camera, and it can shoot the photo, portrait, video, pano, document, slow-mo, time lapse. Okay, this all the under the camera and display. And friends, if you look at the storage and RAM, it's the GB RAM plus 128 GB of ROM. There is 3 variants. The first variant is the 128 GB plus 6 GB. It's the under the 18,999, and the another variant is the 128 GB plus 8 GB, and it's the 20,999, and the last variant is the 256 GB plus 8 GB, and it's the price will be 22,999. Okay, so this is the 3 variants under the Vivo T5x 5G. And there is also the many colors. If you want to order, there is cyber green and star silver, as you can see on the screen. but friends, here I have ordered the cyber green and it's look amazing. If we look at the ports and buttons, this is the SIM ejector, and in this side is the mic, and this side you are going to count the power buttons and volume up and down button. This is the speaker, and you can paint, no, not paint, it's the mic and charge point. So here on the upwards, this is the last point, this is the mic point. So friends, this is all about the Vivo T5x 5G specification and features. And friends, I know you all used to comment me to make videos on different types of mobile phones, but it's not my budget, so I can't not afford it. That's why I cannot create a video. But if you want me to make video about the only specification and features, I can do that. And friends, if you feel that this video is helpful for you, then do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. So friends, next you in the next video. Bye.